4 4 4 4 5 5 5 5 like that. Now is half pyramid. 1 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4. Am I clear, all of you? Understood the concept, Amma? Half pyramid, right?
Yes, sir.
See here, the column will be increasing. See now, row value is 1 time 1. Second time 1 2 will be adding. So third time 1 2 3. Fourth time 1 2 3 4. Fifth time 1 2 3 4 5. So if you change here, the value is you are giving fifth. Fifth means range up to 4 only. Up to 4 only. That is the reason. So we will give only 1 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4. Yes or no, Nana? Tell me, Nana.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Yeah, understood? Okay. Next. Note on this. Okay, ma? Simple, Amma. Another one. I can show you. Another pattern. See, simple 0, comma, -1. See now, what output will come? Enter range of 5. See now, this is another one, Amma. 1 1 1 1 1 only. So you can give only 1. Sorry. Here row 0, comma, -1. 1 2 1 3 2 1 4 3 2 1, Amma. Reverse order. Previous 1 1 2, right? So this is another pattern. Another pattern. Row, comma, 0, comma, -1. That 1 2 3 4. Again 1 2 3. Again 1 2. Last one. See, reverse order. Can you repeat again? Means Vaishnavi Rani. See, simple. These are the patterns for row in a range, rows and columns, right? So in a row, your range 1, comma n means 1, comma 5, for example, means up to 4. For column in range, row comma your row, one first row, how many elements do you want? One only, 1, 0 comma minus 1, right? So 1. Second row, so you are decreasing the order, 0 minus 1 order. So 2, 1. So second column, if now you are fetching the column, rows wise and column wise, right? So next column, 3, 2, 1. Then another column, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4 times. 4, 3, 2, 1, up to 0 minus 1. Ending numbers. Understand? My board and tech I can explain easily. Right? Please try to understand. So this is a range. You can expect, you can take the value of I, so row in what values to be varied every moment. You can check once. You can use your notebook and then it will be automatically comes. Right? Please try to understand. And if there is a board available, I can show you. Am I clear? Am I clear? Any more doubts? Can I explain another pattern? Or shall I close now? Shall I close now today? Any more doubts? If you have any doubts, let me ask. I can explain. Or shall I close today? So next class we will discuss on that. I think maybe next class Thursday, right? Thursday morning. Okay. Thank you very much.
Sir,
Yes.
once explain this 0 comma minus 1, sir, this last one.
See here, 1, 2, 3, 4 rows are there, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, up to 0th location and minus 1 location. See here, range we can see. For example, if you open this, if you want to use range, RANGE, in that range, okay, sorry, in that range we can give. So the first one is row. So how many row? So 0th location of the row up to minus 1, right? So your variable starts 1. See now, I can show. I mean, row, column. See, row in one range. First one is row value is 1, right? That one is here. We are going to transfer to column. So here 1 comma 0 comma minus 1. First you want to put 0 of minus 1 location. We can place one value, right? The second. So the print column is completed. First column. So now, so increased by 1. So second column. So in the reversed manner, 0 comma minus 1. In the reversed manner, so now is minus 2 comma 1. I can explain through board than this one. So maybe for time permits I can show you, but today board is also not available. That board is then my error marker is not available. That is what problem. through board only I can explain you, Nana. Or
Okay, sir.
otherwise, I can write down in the in some white page. I can send it to you. Your this one, right? Better
Okay,
to
sir.
understand. Okay, Nana.
Yes, sir.
Right. Thank you very much, Nana.
Thank you, sir.
This conference will now be recorded.